So I want to share with you today a gorgeous crochet surprise, and at the end of the video there's going to be a bit of a happy berry surprise to go along with it. But today I'm going to be sharing with you this massive, humongous, very heavy advent calendar gorgeousness from Crochet Society. When I got this, I was blown away with just how big and heavy this is. This is an absolute indulgent treat, and it's a limited edition advent calendar from Crochet Society. So we're going to be talking about that today. Later at the end of the video, we're going to be opening one of the doors. So if you do want to order this and you don't want to ruin the surprise, you can skip that at the end. So I'll give you a warning when we're doing that. But I want to open just one door. And also we're going to have a happy berry surprise to go along with it as well, hopefully. But let's open the little ribbon and have a look inside. So here we go. Wow, it's an absolutely beautiful box. It's really, really lovely. What's really nice about this advent calendar is the little boxes are reversible. So once you take out your treats, you can turn it around and get a different picture. So we'll show that at the end with door number one, wherever door number one is. And so you can use it as a storage box as well afterwards. So which is really nice. But this advent calendar comes with 25 balls of yarn, comes with 25 gorgeous crochet related gifts, and it comes with a full colour pattern booklet. And this is a limited edition, like I said, but also the full colour pattern booklet has never been done before with Crochet Society. So this is completely new. But you also get online patterns, there's PDFs to download, there's also tutorials to go along with the patterns as well. But let's take a look at the patterns in the pattern book, and yes, let's move over to the other table and I'll show you those. So in the full colour pattern booklet, we've got 6 patterns. So don't forget we've got the secret blanket pattern, but we get 6 in the booklet. And one of them is these gorgeous little festive balls. I love these. These are so fun and so quick and simple to make. And we also have this really pretty tree skirt. You know what, I've never made one of these. I've never made a tree skirt. I think my Christmas tree is very small, but this is a lovely festive tree skirt, and it's got these really cute little Christmas gift boxes on the front. This is such a pretty design. And we also have a granny stripe stocking. So many of you have actually asked me to design one of these, and I've never designed one. So this is your opportunity to get a really beautiful granny stripe stocking. And this is designed by Zoe Pochak, I think the name is. Can't quite read that, it's got a weird font. But it's a beautiful stocking. And there's also a beanie, really fun beanie to try with a little pom-pom on there. So that's really, really cute. So along with the snowball beanie, we've also got this gorgeous scarf to go with it. And I really love this because this really showcases all the different coloured yarns in the advent calendar. It's got these beautiful little bubbles, so it has a lot of texture and these lovely tassels at the end. So I love this, really long chunky scarf. And of course we have the blanket as well, which I promised you. So the Joy of Christmas blanket, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And again, like the scarf, really showcases all the different coloured yarns. And it's got so many different patterns, little stockings, Christmas trees, Christmas gifts, and this ho 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 message across there. So it's really lovely. And this is a crochet along, so there's going to be not only the pattern in here in the booklet, but there is also a digital version, there's PDFs to download, there's tutorials, and it's a crochet along, so each day you can follow along and make the blanket. So there we go, they are the patterns in the book. So along with the crochet blanket in the booklet, which is actually a crochet along, 25-day crochet along, there is another secret blanket that Crochet Society have revealed that will be going with this advent calendar as well. So that's exclusively available online, but both of the blankets have been designed by a wonderful crochet designer called Nancy Hall. And all the patterns in the booklet have been checked by experts, and they are beginner, and I think one of the blankets is a little bit more tricky, but pretty much all of this is available for beginners. So there's enough yarn in the advent calendar to make a selection of the smaller patterns or one of the blankets. So, but let's go and open door number 1. I have already spotted it. It's right in the middle. So if you are planning on purchasing this advent calendar and you don't want to know what's behind door number 1, then look away now, and I will see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. Thanks for watching. But if you are keen to see what's behind door number 1, just so you get an idea of what's inside, let's have a look. So I'm dying to open this. So beautiful, so nice. We've got this gorgeous yellow colour that is so bright and cheerful. It's lovely, and it's the Crochet Society branded yarn, and it's their confection DK yarn. And immediately I can feel how squishy and lovely it is. I love this yarn. And this colour is Lemon Drops 5. So this is, like I said, a DK yarn. That's a light worsted weight yarn. So it's a yarn weight of 3. And so yeah, we've got this gorgeous yellow colour. And there's also in there the special QR codes and secret passwords to information I cannot share. But there's also, I'll put that back in there, a crochet hook, which is obviously very important for our crochet-alongs. So we get this beautiful crochet hook, and it's one of their lovely polymer grip crochet hooks, which I love. And the one thing I love about the Crochet Society crochet hooks in all of their kits is they're always so colourful and fun. And this has got a beautiful blue, green, sparkly crochet hook, and it's a 4mm size as well. So that's what's behind door number 1. I'm not opening any more doors. I have been allowed to open another door of my choice, but I'm not going to, because I want to keep it a surprise for myself. So, but this is what I want to share also with you. So let's just put that back in there. Is a happy berry surprise that's going to go along with this as well. I'm going to be designing some kind of crochet along as well to go with this advent calendar. So stay tuned for that. Come back on the 1st of December where I will be sharing my first episode. And so that's going to be a real extra treat as well. But there's even more, would you believe? Because there is also a bonus catalogue of amigurumi zodiac characters that also is available with this advent calendar as well. So I'll share a picture of that as well. They're absolutely adorable. So there is so much going on with this advent calendar. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to close up the doors now and keep it all nice and safe for December for myself. And I never have an advent calendar, so this is a real treat for me, and absolutely spoiled. But if you do want to get your hands on one of these, it's absolutely imperative you only buy through Crochet Society's website, because there are a few other places where this is being sold and they're not legitimate, and you may not get the proper thing. It could be a scam. So only buy through the Crochet Society website. I cannot share that enough. So, but it is available. I've got it written down here. It is £84.99, which sounds like a lot, but is a huge treat for yourself. So in dollars, that's about $109.99, but it is worth over £150. So it's an absolute bargain of joy. So that's worth over $195. So I will put all the links below in the description below, so you can go check that out. They are some affiliate links, so I do get a little tiny percentage if you click and buy through that as well, so that helps support our channel. And also there's a social group that will be going along with this advent calendar as well, so you can share your makes, you can share your crochet alongs, ask questions and join the team, and yeah, chat with other people that are enjoying the joys of the advent calendar. But I think that's it. I think I've covered everything, and I really hope you enjoy it. And like I said, come back on the 1st of December and we'll be sharing a little bit more crochet joy with this advent calendar then as well. But thanks for watching. I will see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Hi everybody, got nothing for you today. Just scroll on. just continue on. Just nothing's happening here. Right, let's start again. So today got a little, no, that sounds lame. Okay, let's carry on. Try that again. So I want to introduce you to this humongous, oh my gosh, humongous box. Shall I start again?